like last time, I'm sending the birds back to their perches from far away. Kili, go to perch. Good bird. Truman! Kili! Kili! Good bird. Very good. Kili, go to perch. Truman! Hey, good boy, Truman. Very good. Truman, go to perch. Good bird, Kili. Very good. Go to perch. Kili, go to your perch. Kili, go to perch. Good bird. Truman! Hey, Truman! Good boy, Truman. Very good, Truman. Go to your perch. Yeah. Good bird. Oh, you're trying to fly. All right, keep the perch. Truman! Truman! Good job, Truman. Truman! Good boy, Truman. Very good. Go to your perch. Kili! Good bird, Kili. Very good. Boomerang. Good bird. Go to perch. Kili, fly through hook. Good bird, Kili. Very good. Go to your perch. Kili! Good bird. Kili knows the difference between flying through a hoop on command or recalling or even coming to me. Kili, go to perch. Good boy, Truman. Very good, Truman. Go to your perch. Good perch. Yeah! Good bird. Very good. Want another treat? You want a treat? Kili, fly through hook. Kili, fly through hook. Kili! Good bird. Very good. Kili, go to perch. Kili, fly through hook. Good bird. That was Kili's first time doing two hoops. All right, Kili, go to perch. Kili, fly through hook. Fly through hook. Good bird. Very good. Go to perch. Kili, go to perch. Go to perch. Go to perch. Good. Truman! Truman! Good boy, Truman. Very good. Step up. Wave. Wave. Shake. Good boy. Good perch. Truman, go to perch. Truman, go to perch. Truman, go to perch. Good. Through hook. Fly through hook. Good bird. Kili, fly through hook. Fly through hook. Good bird. Very good, Kili. Good bird. Go to perch. Kili!